Welcome. Give yourself a few minutes for restful relaxation, grounding, and breathing. Make your way into child's pose, knees wide, bowing to the ground. Find any variation that you prefer, using blocks or blankets, and adjust as you need to. Soften through the jaw and through the brow. Allow the teeth to separate. Breathing deep into the belly, finding full, complete inhalation and exhalation. Allow the mind to follow the breath. Adjusting your posture as you need. And then come up onto hands and knees. Inhale, drawing up, and exhale, going back, making a modified cat and cow wave-like motion. Inhaling forward and exhaling seat to heels. The breath. Inhale, raise the right arm up, and exhale, sweep it under and through, resting on right shoulder, right ear. Option to sweep that left hand back behind. The right arm up and exhale, set it back down. Other side, inhaling up, exhale, thread the arm under and through, resting on left ear, left shoulder. Option to sweep that right hand back behind, or allow it to simply rest on the mat. Inhale, raise that left arm up. Exhale, set it back down. Bending into the toes, walk the hands towards you into a little squat. Inhale, exhale, forward fold. Inhale, and exhale. Inhale, and exhale. Exhale, roll back up. Inhale, sweep the arms up. Exhale, back into the heart. Satnam, be well.